Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of the episode of the clarinet. On the first episode, I told you the structure of the clarinet and how to build it. In this episode, I'm gonna tell you how to play the notes and the fingering. This is the note G, and to play it, you need to put your thumb over here where the balancing part is, and you just need to blow, and that's the note G. To figure out the note G, it will be a straight line and then the colored in C. These are rests. The next one is F. This is how you play F. You need to cover the thumb and place your thumb at the back finger and cover the hole in, and then you just blow. And then the next one is E. E is the bottom note where it touched the end and a straight line. F is the top note in the second line. So to play E, you need to place the thumb, and you need to cover the first hole with your index finger. That's the sound of E. Next is D. As you can see, there is the line on the second bar, and it goes over the other line at the last. So you put the thumb at the back, and as you did with the F, you just have to add another note, and you know that these two fingers make the sound like, and that's how you know you play the correct sound, and that's the letter D. And the last note is C. The C is down, and it colors in and puts a straight line across it, cutting it into half. And the C is, you put the thumb finger, 1, 2, and 3. You cover the 3 holes and then play. That's a loud noise, and that's how you know you played the letter C. Now I'm gonna sing you the song of C, 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 D, and it's all rests at the 3 parts, like 1, 2, 3. C, G, G, F, F, E. And then when you have these little dots, it means to repeat the same thing one more time again. So that's what I'm gonna do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3. Rest, rest. So as you can see, I followed the dots and repeated it again. So in the next video, I'm gonna sing you a song of the last part of the clarinet. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.